Okay. Before you buy stocks, I always recommend you research stocks. Don't listen to your friends. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to the crazy people. I don't call them crazy. Don't listen to the animated people on television. They care how excited they are about a stock. Chances are those folks on TV already own it. They're just trying to get you to drive the price up so they can sell it to you and get a profit. That's my opinion. All of these comments in my videos are opinions. I'm not an expert. Don't sue me. I'm not responsible for your wins or your losses. I don't want your money if you win. I don't want your bill if you lose. Anyway, so I've shown you how to set your account. I've shown you how to buy stock, but I want to show you how to research stocks. So you use your research tab here, and only stocks for now. ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, options. We can get into that. You can get into that stuff later. I just want to get your feet wet with getting this going. You click on research. You click on stocks, and this part is pretty cool. They allow you to create your own page. You can look at the highly rated performers, divvy up dividends. Dividends are when a company pays their investors back a percentage. Usually, is you know a little bit of money back on your stock. So not only do you own the stock, but you get a little money back. You can Google that and figure out what a dividends is. I'm just showing you the basic tools. Basement bargains. So let's take a look at something like basement bargains. Since everybody's a beginner and you want to look for um, basement bargains. So once you clicked on basement bargains, it basically gives you a list of all these stocks that are, supposed to be pretty good deals, right? And we're scrolling up and down. All these are the stock names. These are the exchanges they're on, and here's some different pricing and numbers that you can get them for. Some people like to buy penny stocks. You got to look into that on your own. But more importantly, once you look at the basement bargains, um, you can drill down. So instead of having this long list over here that confuses you, you can look at dollar volume, you can look at price. So let's look at price. This is an easy one. Let's say less or equal to $20. Right? Right. And so this is how you can easily find stocks within your range. So understand, if you have when I first started, I would only buy stocks under 20 bucks because that's the kind of money I had. So I had to learn how to find good stocks that were under 20 bucks. This tool here, this research tool, where you go to basement bargains, is a great way to find your price point. If you want stocks that are less than or equal to $20, here's a list of them, and now you can do research on each one of these stocks to see which one might be a big gainer for you. If you're a big spender, then you can go higher. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. You can go higher to sorry, I'm tired. I've had a long day at work. You can go to 100. And previous closing, you can filter them by clicking. So here's from high to low, whatever DIT is, and this guy's at $80 a share, and this is what are considered bargains. Again, you can hold your mouse over it, get some immediate information about them. You can look at their chart, and it shows what their progress is. So this is great ways for you to research your stock. Now again, I'm not giving you a set theory. I may give my theory later in another video as to how I pick stocks. But what I want to do is just give you the tools how to get information. There's hundreds of ways people choose stocks. From Warren Buffett's way, the most famous and most successful investor in history, to penny stock investors. You have to find the theory that's right for you and use this tool and this brokerage account or whatever brokerage account you choose to find the stocks for you. I don't want to give you a set system that I use because what works for me may not work for you. So this is it. This is how you can research your stocks. There's other features here. Yet again, I want you to be able to go through it and take a look. You can look at the Dow and the NASDAQ. You can look at the activity here. So the most active stocks on the Dow today were Apple, Microsoft, and Exxon. All right. So what does that tell you? What's going on in the tech industry? Maybe you want to look at the tech industry. Exxon was up 1.89%. Maybe you want to look at oil and see what's going on over those guys. GE was up. GE's a pretty affordable stock, and they're a big company. Maybe you want to look at them. But this gives you a good idea. What is this here? Verizon's down. So again, once you get into this research and you start looking at these different graphs and tools and market movers here, you see Bank of America was up, Apple was up, Hudson City Bank, GE. This is, if you don't know where to get started, the best place to start is under this research tab. Look up the stocks. And just start doing research and get a feel. Matter of fact, look at stocks that have improved over the last 6 months, since we're toward the third quarter of the year. Look at stocks that have done well since the beginning of this year, and find a pattern. See if you can find a pattern. And if you can find a pattern, look for up and coming stocks that are showing that same pattern. That's kind of how I got started. Now the pattern you choose is up to you. There's different indicators, but that's kind of how you can get started. I hope this video helped. If you got any questions, you can email me, or just post comments under the video, and I will try and answer as many questions as I can. I want to emphasize, I'm not an expert. I've been doing this for about 20 years, and I haven't lost much money, but I also haven't become like a billionaire either. So, but I enjoy doing this. It's done well for me, and I'm hoping that my videos are going to help you do well as well.